Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another mystery seed update. You guys, as I suspected, the seedlings that I transplanted outdoors, some of them died, okay? But these are the only two that's going strong, and yeah. And with all this rain, it's not helping because I saw a slug on the back of this one, on the back of that leaf there. So I don't like, So, but anyway, but this is what happened. Stay tuned for pictures at the end. And I did take the liberty of planting 4 more seeds. Thanks for watching, guys.